gathering here. It is a great honor for me to be here, and I thank you all for giving this opportunity to speak in Ambedkar International Mission. Is there anything for me to establish or emphasize my identity here? Nor of your identity? But I feel the unifying principles equal to each other is more important. These unifying principles are liberty, equality, and fraternity. Our Indian Constitution is enshrined by these principles. While I say Indian Constitution, our neural connection immediately displays an adorable portrait of Father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Do you agree with me? Synonymous to Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The knowledge and acumen he acquired in elsewhere Columbia University, London of Economics had not been spent for his personal benefits but for the public at large. In specific to the oppressed. Oh, yes, women who had been oppressed for ages and even today, and also the laborers who contribute their valuable time in developing city, country and nation. Ambedkar drafted the constitution in bringing equality to everyone. In India, the dogma of religious sects had pathetic inequality. Ambedkar put an end to the exploitation of working hours to be 8 hours, which was 14 hours or no hours of limit. Did women had property rights in India before 2006? Except Tamil Nadu, which enacted law in 1980s. In 1980s, Dr. Ambedkar fought for women through his famous Hindu Code Bill. Some dogmatic religious sects had criticized his very basis idea of women because they didn't want bad ideas to become in their city. We thank Dr. Ambedkar for his revolutionary thoughts and actions. He drifted away human activities of very bad dogmatic, religious, pathetic inequality customs by his continuational drafting. Now please tell me, there should be an exit from bad contract. Please tell me, yes or no. I repeat, there should be an exit from bad contract. It is good that you all agree that bad contract should have an exit. Did Indian women had exit from bad contract of marriages? Dr. Ambedkar gave the power of exit from bad social contract by his continuous advocacy of divorce and also banned child marriages by mandating minimum ages for marriages. I'm sure you all will agree that good marriage is to continue and bad marriage to have an exit. Dr. Ambedkar has given us a torch of liberty, equality and fraternity. I coin it as life by juggling its words. L-I from liberty, F from fraternity and E from equality. I wish all you prosper in life by applying Dr. Ambedkar liberty, equality, fraternity. Also, it's our vision and mission as part of Ambedkar International Mission to move forward with the powerful torch provided by Dr. Ambedkar to empower the oppressed people. Jai Bhim, long live Baba Sahib. Thank you.